Hello dear students, today we are going to learn chapter 10, 4.1 and the 4 questions. In China, many years ago, there was a boy named 4.1. 4.1 meant a million pieces of gold. When he was born, it was foretold that one day he would be rich and have a million pieces of gold. 4.1 was very generous. He gave away all his money to the poor. Soon he had neither food nor good clothes for himself. One day he asked himself, "Why am I so poor when my name means a million pieces of gold?" He decided to go and seek the answer from the wise goddess Kuan Yin. Pawan traveled for many days until he came to a wide and fast flowing river. As he stood on the river bank deciding how to cross, a deep voice called him from the hilltop. "Pawan, are you going to see Kuan Yin?" "Yes," replied Pawan when he saw a large snake appear over the hill. "Would you ask Kuan Yin a question for me?" asked the snake. Pawan knew he could ask only 3 questions to Kuan Yin, and he had one of his own to ask, so he agreed to the snake's request. The snake said, "I am 1,001 years old, yet I am not a dragon. Ask Kuan Yin why it is so." In return to Pawan's kindness, the snake took him across the river on its back. Pawan resumed his journey and soon reached an inn. The innkeeper gave him a bowl of rice and tasty dishes. While eating, Pawan told the innkeeper that he was going to meet Kuan Yin. "Then ask her a question for me," pleaded the innkeeper. "My beautiful daughter cannot speak. Please ask Kuan Yin why this is so." Pawan felt sorry for the innkeeper and readily agreed. After all, Kuan Yin would answer 3 questions and Pawan had only one to ask. Pawan spent the night at the inn and the next morning he started his journey again. On the way, he met a rich man. The rich man looked very sad. He said to Pawan, "I have many special plants and trees in my garden. I looked after them well for 20 years. Still, none of them will flower or bear fruit. Please ask Kuan Yin why this is so." "Of course, I will," promised Pawan without any hesitation. Alas, he could ask Kuan Yin only 3 questions and now he already has 4. What should he do? Pawan knew the answer. "I have made promises to the great snake, the innkeeper, and the rich man. Those promises must be kept." Pawan reached Kuan Yin's temple. She invited him to ask 3 questions. Pawan began. "Why is the great snake not yet a dragon? He has waited for 1,001 years old. 1 years." Kuan Yin replied, "There are 7 pearls on his head. If he takes away 6, he will become a dragon." Next, Pawan asked, "Why can't the innkeeper's daughter speak?" "She will start speaking when she sees the man she will marry." Then Pawan asked, "Why are there no flowers or fruits in the rich man's garden?" Kuan Yin replied, "There are 7 cascades of gold and silver in his garden. His plants and trees will flower and bear fruit when he gives away his treasure." Pawan had asked all 3 questions he was allowed to ask. He set off home. On the way, he gave the rich man the goddess' answer. The rich man was so grateful that he gave Pawan half his treasure. Next, he went to see the innkeeper. When the innkeeper's daughter saw him from her open window, she called out, "Welcome back, Pawan." The innkeeper was delighted that his daughter could speak. He at once agreed to let her marry Pawan. Pawan then went to the great snake and told him why he could not be a dragon. The snake gave 6 of his pearls to Pawan and suddenly turned into a magnificent dragon. Through his kindness and goodness, Pawan became a rich man with 1,000,000 gold pieces.